guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I really hope that you all are staying home, staying safe and taking all the necessary precautions. Well, I know this time is hard, but it too shall pass, and there's always a light at the end of every tunnel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick get ready with me on Eid. As Ramadan is almost over and Eid is around the corner, so I just thought to share a makeup tutorial with all of you guys. So this is not going to be a very glam bang makeup video. This is going to be very simple, very basic, and I'm going to be using very basic products that I'm sure that you all would be having that makeup products. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So I have already moisturized my face, and for the primer I'm gonna be using this Lakme Absolute Gel Primer. I'm gonna work on the areas where I have pores. So most of the people, they say to me that you put so many layers of makeup products on your face. Well, yes, I do, but the whole point is I use very little amount of all those products. So if you don't want your makeup look extremely cakey, so you reduce the amount of all the makeup products for the finished look. And for the foundation, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline foundation. So this is a high coverage foundation, and I guess Maybelline is one of the most affordable brands available in the market nowadays. So if you're a beginner and you're not sure कि किस brand में invest करना चाहिए, so I guess Maybelline के products amazing हैं. I'm taking only this much product, and this one will be enough. So if you guys want extra glow on your face, so you can add a liquid highlighter. So just one drop of liquid highlighter will be enough. But if you have extra oily skin, so skip that, because that will gonna make your face look more oily. So here I'm having oily skin, so I'm not gonna put that liquid highlighter, and now I'm gonna just put it all over my face. And now with the help of this beauty blender, I'm gonna just spread it all over my face. So this is done. And for the concealer, again I'm gonna use this Maybelline concealer in the shade 15 Fair. Just one drop here and here on the bridge of my nose, a little bit here and here. And now with the same blender, I'm just gonna blend everything well. Alright, so now I'm just gonna set all of my base by using compact powder, and the compact powder that I'm gonna be using today is this Maybelline compact powder. And for the contouring, I'm gonna use this Sugar contouring palette, and with the help of this angular brush, I'm gonna contour my face. So if you don't have any contouring palette, you can use any brown shadow that is darker than your shade. It will add a depth to your face, and also it will make your face look little bit oval in shape. Put little bit here on my jawline to make it look sharper. So the blush that I'm gonna be using today is this Lakme 925 blush, and this is like full Paisa Vasool blush. So I have been using this blush since the day I started doing makeup, and I'm like in love with this blush, and this is my favorite part of doing makeup. I just love putting blush on my cheeks. The best part of this blush is that it's soft and smooth, and it just blends in your skin, and it doesn't look chalky and powdery. It blends in your skin very well. So blushing is done, and now I'm gonna just fill my brows. So you guys know my trick to fill the brows. Alright, so for my transition shade today, I'm gonna use the shade. So always go for a lighter shade when you're working on your transition. So I'm just gonna take a little bit amount of this, and always dust off the extra product. So I'm just gonna place it on my crease and just blend it. So you guys can choose any lighter shade for your transition, and you can choose according to your dress or according to the makeup you want. So I'm gonna repeat the same on my other side as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna just take this pink shade. So this is not going to be a very pinky makeup. I'll take just a little bit amount of this and I'll just place it on the outer corner. I'll just place a very little amount of this pink on my outer corner. Just a little bit here and just blend it. Guys, blending is the key. If you don't want any harsh lines, so just keep blending. So make sure that when you're working on your crease, so don't go beyond the crease line. Always work underneath this crease line. Alright, so you see guys, I have blended both these shadows well and I have used very little amount of pink only on my outer corners. So now I'm just gonna pick this shade, this rose gold shade, and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid. And with the help of my finger, I'll just place it on my eyelid. Alright, so now I'm gonna just use the same pink shade on my waterline. So for applying this, I'm using this smaller brush. So now I'm gonna use this water gel liner and I'm not gonna create that cat eye. I'll apply a very soft wing liner. So now I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Kajal pencil and I'll apply this white kajal on my waterline. Alright, so you guys just see the difference. Adding white liner to your waterline really adds a pop-up color to your eye and it really make your eyes look bigger. So it's kinda a tip. If you want to make your eye look bigger, you can add a white liner to your waterline. So now I'm gonna use this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. So for the mascara, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara and I'm gonna apply 2 to 3 coats of this on my top lashes and my bottom lashes as well. So my eye makeup is done and today I'm not gonna use any lashes. As I told you, I'm gonna do very basic makeup that you guys can easily create. So I'm gonna skip that step. If you want, you can add fake lashes to your eyes. And now it's time for the highlighter. I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty highlighter. I'm just gonna apply it a little bit here on the bridge of my nose. So you can add highlighter to all the bony area of your face, means wherever you want to highlight your face, so you can just add a highlighter. Little bit here on my chin, just a little bit on my forehead. Okay, so for my lipstick today, I'm gonna use this Maybelline liquid lipstick in the shade Sensationally Me. So this is my current favorite lipstick and it's a perfect nude lip color and I think it's gonna suit to all the skin tones. Alright, so my makeup is done and now it's time to add some jewelry. So I'm just gonna put on this beautiful earrings and then I'll be right back. Guys, that's the complete look. Wasn't it super easy? So I'm sure you guys will be able to create it, and if you create, so do share your picture with me and also you can tag me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID. Do tag me on Instagram. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So may this beautiful festival of Eid gives you all the reason to make it even more beautiful. Wishing you all a very happy Eid. Bye.